Where's you at Cummings University head baseball coach Woody Hunt? Coach, good to be with you.
Yeah, good to be here, Mitch. Hope we can get this game in. It was predicting rain in the early afternoon, so we don't know what's going to happen there, but we're going to try to play at 12 and hope we can get a good game in.
Coach, Bulldogs yesterday out in McKenzie, Tennessee, came away with a 10-6 win, kind of a crazy ball game. Bethel made 6 errors, but we continued to battle, and a pretty good pitching performance out of Mitch Langer.
Yeah, Mitch did good for 5 innings, struck out 7, and his fastball was working good. And, I thought that was, one of his better games. He pitched for at least 3 or 4 innings, and the win, he had a little trouble. But, he's got some potential on the mound, and he did well for us and got the win. And Cruzy came in and gave up some hits, but he struck out 7, and he put a couple of rallies out. So we had a good game. It was good to win.
Coach, sometimes, today, in our times now, watching a lot of baseball and that at all levels, but just kind of, to me, you don't see the instincts, natural instincts out of players that you saw back in the day.
Well, I think kids at the early age spend too much time getting lessons and that type of thing and getting instruction, but, going out and playing the game, in the cow pasture or the backyard and playing a wiffle ball game with the neighborhood guys and things like that's how you learn how to play the game. And I think kids are missing that today, and just going up and maybe having a neighborhood game, a hardball game down the street and those kind of things. And just I think they play the travel ball and probably don't get enough teamwork in that area either. So I think there's a lot of factors there. The instincts, you get those through playing.
I wonder if kids would know if we tossed the bat to them and see who gets to pick first, Coach, with fist and then topping the bat off.
Yeah, I doubt they know what that means, but maybe they saw that movie, but they had it on there. But I doubt they know what that means. That's how we used to do it. We would choose upside and just play.
Yeah, and you and I have talked many times through the past just about individual instruction as opposed to just like you said, playing. Coach, #1 team in the country coming in here today, Georgia Gwinnett, just lost only their 2nd ball game of the year yesterday in Athens, Tennessee against Tennessee Wesleyan.
Well, they're very good, Mitch. I don't know if we can match up to them or not. They have stolen a lot of bases. They got some guys who got real high averages. They got some good arms. They haven't done much wrong this year, but, hopefully we can have a good game. You never know. And, Madonna beat them, and we played them this year. And so, we think we have a chance that if we can get a good pitching performance out of Chester, give us 3 or 4 good innings, and maybe we can, match up the bullpen as we go along, and hopefully we can score some runs. It's going to be an exciting day, hopefully, with this wind blowing. You never know what's going to happen.
And obviously, Coach, we saw it in yesterday's ball game where you were having to protect the bullpen a little bit and have to do it today because of the big conference weekend up in Columbia, Kentucky against Lindsey Wilson this weekend.
Yeah, if we knew we were going to play Saturday and Sunday instead of Friday and Saturday, we could do a few things with our bullpen, but we don't know that yet because we got saved Marion for Friday and then Saturday's game, we got to save our guys for that. And, they might be able to throw a little bit for us. But, we're just going to do the best we can with what we got and hope for the best.
Well, Coach, Drew Chester gets the ball today?
Yeah, Drew threw very well last time against Tennessee Wesleyan, and if he can throw like he did up there, I think he'll give us a chance to win.
Well, Coach, looking forward to talking to you after today's ball game.
Okay, thank you, Mitch.
Back at the station, let's take a 2-minute break, and we'll be back with today's starting lineup.
An active lifestyle needs